Today I will try to create Momo from Avatar the Last Airbender. First I will pick the yarn that I need for this project. After that, the first thing that I'll do is make the ears. And I'm done with my first ear. Now I will start making his cute head. Of course he will need his cute eyes. The body will be the hardest part, especially his legs. The first arm is done. His cute tail is also a very important part of him. After the feet he's done. The last part is of course stitching it together. He's finally done. Don't you think that he's cute? If he hit 30 likes, I'll make Abba. Thanks for watching.